first step po natin is mag-i-snap tayo from here. Ilalayo natin yung katawan natin. Snap. And then, sa kabila. And then, snap. Kabila. Snap. Kabila. And snap. Kabila. And then, i-scoop lang po tayo. Scoop. And then, kabila. And kabila. And then, pull. And then, kabila. Kabila. And pull. And ulitin po natin ng 2 beses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and scoop, 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 pull, scoop, 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 pull. And then yung second set po natin, after that, is iaangat lang natin yung kamay natin. Okay? And then ipupull natin siya papunta rito. And then sa kabila. And then snap lang uli. And snap. And scoop, 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 pull, scoop, scoop, scoop. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Scoop, 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 pull, scoop, scoop, pull. Susundan natin yung lyrics niya. So, ikaw ang aking pastol. Magiging parang shepherd po tayo. Hindi magkukulang. Sapat na. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Biyaya, mo'y sagana, at umaapaw, sapat na, at higit pa. Ang next step after nun is magbabounce lang po tayo. Step, and 3, 4, and step, and 3, 4, and then push, 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 and push, push, push. After po nyan, i-wave na lang natin yung kamay niya, kamay natin.